The apartments are rented by a company, very large, quiet, clean and well situated. It is clear though that nobody lives in.
It was tired looking, not the same as the photos at all. The apartment was not very clean. The wardrobe was broken, which is an easy thing to fix.
Location, standard, spacious and affordable. Comparing what you usually get standard-wise in London, we were very pleasantly surprised with the flat. Met Ruslan at check-in. Very polite, professional and helpful. Replied very quickly on the day of check-in to agree on a time to meet up.
A lot of fine print, need to read carefully to know what you are paying for. We were charged £50 for late check-in, which was expected, albeit partly my fault for not reading the fine print. We did not receive the same apartment as expected. It looked nothing like the pictures.
Location was great, quiet and near the station. Ruslan was very accommodating and even picked us up at the station and gave the tour of the apartment himself. The place was really comfortable and big enough for 6 people.
The kitchen was a real letdown, nothing like any of the photos online. It was really tired and old, so much so that we didn't use it, other than to boil a kettle. This defeated the object of opting for an apartment. Also, we were a bit disappointed that we were put in a basement apartment.